Alright friends, let's learn the for each loop in Java. So earlier we used the regular for loop to print array elements. But with for each loop, the same task becomes easier and cleaner. In a regular for loop, as you see, we use an index variable like e. But in a for each loop, we don't need an index. It automatically goes through each element in the array. So let's define a variable. I delete all, and then I come here. I say integer, and then my variable name is age. And then I define age elements. I come here, I say 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to open my for each loop. So the syntax looks like this. I open my for loop, and then I can use directly for each. If I enter UC, integer, and then variable, and then colon, I put after that my array name, which is age here. Alright, I can change this e syntax. I can say age because this represents each element in the array. So it will go through. First I use 20, and then it goes through age becomes 25, and after it loops through again, age becomes 30. It continues like that until age becomes 35. So let's print it. How can I print it? I use system.out.println, and then I give age variable inside the parentheses. So let's run it. You see, I print all elements from beginning to end. I can format it if I want. So I come here. Instead of println, I use print, and then I will print on the same line. After the age variable, I just give one space. So I save it, I run it again. You see, I print each element on the same line. So it's very useful when you just need to access elements. So when you prefer it, if you don't need the index, you can prefer for each loop. Super.